coming in with a collab real quick. And I'm just going to show you what I got. So this is a, ooh la la. Where am I going to put these? Let's see. This will be my, I think this will work. Okay. Totally unprepared. Oh, yeah. This is from Fashion to Figure, and this is a gifted collab, and ooh la la. This is called a patent bodysuit. How cute is that? Okay, you know what? I have to put it back in the bag, otherwise I'm never going to forget. Remember. That's going to be cool, right? Oh, this is going to be really cute too. Really cute. Probably can still get this going. This is called the acid wash top. Cute or what? So I will do a try on for sure, and then I got the acid washed jeans to go with that top. Let's see, are they just called acid? These are called, yeah, acid washed wide leg. And I'm excited because they have these lines, and one of my favorite pairs of jeans ever in my life had those kind of lines. So I'm really excited to see if it works. And then for those lipedema ladies who like to hide their calves, these are wide legs. So let's check it out. That used to be the only way that I go, but clearly we all know that that has changed. This is what? This is a French terry. I'm not sure. So we're just going to open it. Pretty, right? A French terry top. Oh yeah, that's going to be cute for the fall. That's going to be excellent. That would be cute with those jeans also. As a transitional piece. Let's see what we've got here. This is called Cut Out Itty. Oh, right, it has cutouts in the shoulders. Can you see that? It's going to have a, it's not a cold shoulder, it's a cutout. That's great. And olive is my color for sure. So it's called Cutout Itty Fitted. I don't know what I would do with that. A jean, the other jeans that I have from them, that would go great right now. Oh, here's a Tabria Majors number. And this one is the tie-dye jumpsuit. Ooh. I think that's actually the back. It is. But, you know, I've been known to wear things backwards. So that would be a little showy. It feels so soft and comfy. That would be cute. I'm thinking I could even work out in that. Here's another one that is, I'm in a rush and I didn't come prepared with the, this one is called the High Shine Romper. Oh, right. This is a, an all-in-one camo, like a workout outfit is how I would wear it. Yeah, so that's exciting. Although I was told the other day that I don't hide so well in my camo. You know, what can a girl do? I don't know what to say about that one. I thought it was kind of funny because I always thought it made me blend in, but I was told that's not the case. So maybe when you're somebody who just doesn't blend in, you know, you can't really blend in. Oh, this is great. And this is also, I love the color for the, right now for the fall that's coming. And the fact that it still has a sleeveless or halter, I should say. This one is called Dye Maxi Dress. And then it has this dual bottom. You see that? It has the longer bottom, and that is really cute. So, and then with this, with the slit, you can wear it, you know, open, or if you still, you know, are using your compression, you can put your compression under. And if you have black compression with the orange, you'll be all in style for Halloween. Okay, this I thought was just adorable. This is I was big on the tops, evidently. This is a shirt that has a great collar. I don't know if you can, if I'm pulling it right. You see that? It'll be like a little bit of a off the shoulder-ish. Yeah, so we'll see. That one looks really, it's really comfortable material also. Actually, I find almost everything from Fashion to Figure really comfortable. Actually, I even have my my jumpsuit on today. Oh, this is a this is one of those, you know, a V-swap see-through shirt. You just wear a little. This one's called scoop neck mesh. So, you know, wear a cute little bra underneath, or nothing if you're so inclined, I suppose. I'm thinking about going in public. And then this is a dress. Look at how beautiful that color is. So this dress is called the Cut Outside Maxi Dress. And I love how they're packaged also. I love all the packaging, just the way they package their garments. I think there is attention to detail in it. Ooh, ooh. And here's the cutout. So that will be at my waist. So we're gonna see how this goes. So this is gonna be a really fun try-on haul. I would love to be able to figure out how to do it live, but I don't think that that's possible. So looks like that was gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm excited to show you all how they worked out. Let me know which one was your favorite and which one you're going to be excited to see. So thank you very much. fashion to figure. I appreciate it. I am in a rush, so I can't take time to answer any of the messages, but please be sure to put them on the comments, and I'll see you all again. Bye. Happy Monday.